guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be trying out the Colourpop times Ellarie collaboration. I didn't pick up all the shades I wanted to, but when I put that collection in the cart, it sold out before I was able to check out. I was so mad because you got a discount for buying them as a bundle. So I was like, damn, I missed out on that. Anywhoosie. So I just picked up 3 of the shades. I got Yoshi, Ceci, and Hennyways. So I'm going to show you guys how they look on my lips. And I'm also going to show you some dupes if I have any. And then we'll come back and just talk about the collaboration as a whole. Okay? So stay tuned for the lip swatches. So this is Ceci. That's how Ellarie says it. Ceci. That's so funny. Okay, so this is Ceci right here. Very nice, very beautiful, kind of burgundy-ish red. Let's see what the website says about it. Ceci is a deep wine red. So let's put LAX right next to it. My hands are a little ashy, guys. Don't mind me. Okay, so that's LAX right next to it. It's a little darker, as we can see. I wanted to try Mamacita, but I think Mamacita would be much darker than it. Oh, let's see. Yup. It's much darker than it. Okay, so they're dried. So they're in the same shade family, but I really like this color. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so I don't have anything that looks like Yoshi, and this is described as a vivid magenta violet. I didn't think I would like this shade, but I actually like it. I actually like it, no, for real. I'm feeling this shade. Wow, I never thought I would like it, but I do. It's so bright. It's so vibrant. It's giving me life, y'all. It's giving me life. I like. So this is the last one that I have. I only got 3 of the lips from the collection. Guys, Hennyways is my favorite. This brown is so nice. Okay, so let's swatch it. We're gonna compare it to 2 other Colourpop colors. So that is Hennyways. Then we're gonna do Embellish right next to it. Embellish is a little darker, as we can see. And then we're gonna do Limbo on the other side. So Limbo is also lighter. So I think these are 3 beautiful brown shades. Anyways, it's a cool tone chocolate brown, and I do agree. It is so cute. Alright guys, so this comes to the end of this lip swatch party. This is definitely my favorite shade. Cool tone chocolate brown, and I think it complements my eyes very well. These retail for $6.50 on the Colourpop website. Colourpop is always having a sale. if it's the first time you've been on the site, and you can submit your email address to their mailing list, and they will give you a $5 coupon. So yeah, there is always some type of sale or like discount code going on there, or free shipping or something. So I would definitely recommend you to check them out. I am in love with these shades. I'm so happy for Ellarie that she was able to collaborate with Colourpop. I'm not sure if this is like her first or her second, but there is a lip liner and a lippy stick, I think, in the shade Ellarie. I don't know if that was a collaboration or if they just used her name or what, but I love this collection. I'm here for it. Okay, girl, I am here for it. These colors are amazing. Honestly, I feel like this color makes me look like a Bratz doll. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's popping my lips so much. Like my lips look bigger in this color, I find. And it's giving me a real Bratz doll vibe, right? Right, I think so. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Little Beat on Instagram and on Snapchat. And the Beat Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. Yeah. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day, guys. Bye.